How do I know if my AC needs recharged? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So typically, we're going to notice that our air conditioning isn't blowing as cold as we'd like. First thing I want you to do is switch hot to cold. Make sure heat comes on and heat goes off. If it doesn't, we might have a problem with the doors inside the car. Secondly, I want you to make sure when your engine's running, if you have an electric fan, that the electric fan is running out by the radiator. Because if that's not working, you're going to have some problems. Now let me show you how you're going to know if your refrigerant seems to be in the general level or not. So we're working on a Chevy Silverado here. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look with the engine running and the air conditioning on and make sure the compressor's turning. If you don't know what that is, I'm not sure how to help you on this video. But if the compressor's turning, then you're going to have two lines coming out of your firewall. One is large and one is small. Do not touch the small one, it will be very hot. But you're going to feel the large one. The large one, whatever temperature it feels, that's exactly what should be happening inside the car. So it should be around 40 degrees coming out of here. If it's only cool, then probably the refrigerant's a bit low or you have a valve problem inside the system. I hope this has been informational for you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.